Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet bird. I used an H hook medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below. You can use any type of hook or type of yarn for this, just depending on how big or small you would like it. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to slip knot onto your hook and then you're going to chain 7. And then in the third chain from the hook, you're going to single crochet, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, half double crochet in the next chain, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, double crochet in the next chain, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then in the last chain work 4 double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat for 4 times. Work on the opposite side here, yarn over twice for a treble crochet, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then double crochet in the next stitch. And you can place your video in slow motion. There is a link down below on how to do so. And then half double crochet into the next stitch, then single crochet into the next stitch, then slip stitch in that beginning stitch, and then you're going to chain 3, and then double crochet in the same stitch, then double crochet twice in each stitch around until you get to the beginning. Then slip stitch on top of that chain 3, and then you're going to chain 4, and then in the second chain from the hook work a single crochet, and then half double crochet in the next chain, then double crochet in the next chain, then slip stitch into the next 6 stitches. So grab the yarn, pull through, and then go into that next stitch there after you get past your 6 stitches, and then you're going to single crochet and then skip a stitch and work 10 double crochet in the next stitch to create the head. Now you can fasten off. Okay, so now pull through and you're going to create your beak right around that last double crochet. You're going to slip stitch in your orange color or whatever color you prefer for your beak. So slip knot onto your hook and slip stitch into that stitch. And then chain 2 and single crochet in that same stitch and then fasten off, and then you'll weave in all of your ends. Weave in all of your ends in the back to cover them up. Now take your yarn needle and weave in the beak in the back. Now you can glue on an eye, or you can also sew in an eye, and this is what it looks like when it's complete. Okay, so thank you for watching and please subscribe.